Today, we have the privilege of hearing directly from 5 women from across the country who are living proof that our economy is not built to set working mothers up for success, and I want them to do the talking at this hearing. For far too long, we've treated child care and caregiving as an optional rather than a basic necessity. Instead of restructuring work in a way that is sustainable for all Americans, we've essentially told women, good luck fending for yourselves. The COVID pandemic has made things worse, but there have been some findings I hope that we can all agree upon. Our failure to recognize basic caregiving obligations in the U.S. has driven millions of women out of the workforce since last March, with a majority of those being women of color. Over a year later, many have yet to return, undoing decades of progress toward gender equity in the labor market. We know that child care was hard to find even before pandemic, but estimates suggest that over 4 million spots now could be permanently gone. The industry was already riddled with high staff turnover and built on the backs of underpaid women of color. And with regard to paid leave, the United States is the only industrialized nation with no maternity leave. This is unacceptable. We are working with parents, and they are working to the bone, wasting their talents and putting our country at a competitive disadvantage. We should treat this as a long-term investment. These issues are not new to the Ways and Means Committee. We were able to take modest steps to address them in the American Rescue Plan. We all know there is still much more to do. Women are already telling us what they need: paid family and medical leave and child care that they can count on. That's why I felt so strongly that for this hearing, we needed to hear directly from working women. We need to talk to them instead of talking about them. And after we listen to their stories, we need to act.